The Venetian Marble is a product by BBG. It is a decorative acrylic coating made with a base of dust marble and a combination of natural resins and latex of high durability. Some of the uses that the Venetian marble has are decorative coating for walls, waterproofing coating for bathrooms, and a marble-like finish that can be applied over wood. The first step to apply it would be to use a spatula and then start applying the marble over the surface that you want. This will be the base coating um, of the whole process. The thickness of this said coating depends on how even or uneven the surface below or the surface you're applying it over is. Then we're going to take a look at the second step, which includes a second coating that goes on top of this base coating. As you can see on this second phase, or in this second step, once again, the Venetian marble is being applied, this time on top of the base coating. So this second coating will go on top of the first one, and it's a bit different as you start giving the patterns or the finish that you want with it. The goal, though, is to leave the surface as smooth as possible, so no uneven parts anywhere. So remember, the goal is that this second coating is to leave the surface as smooth as possible. The third step can be a bit tricky. When the second coating is starting to dry out, you must grab a trowel, and with the trowel, you must start polishing that second coating. The goal of using the trowel and doing this sort of polish, as you can see here in the video, is to once again make the surface as smooth as possible. So with the trowel, you go along and start polishing it. We highly recommend that this whole process is done by someone experienced, someone that has applied or used the Venetian marble before, since it's a very tricky product and it's not easy to use the first time. So it requires an experienced person in order for you to have the smoothest and best possible finish. Finally, the fourth step is when the Venetian marble has dried out, you must cover it completely with wax. As you can see here with a towel, he's moving the wax along the wall where the Venetian marble has already dried out. Once you've finished waxing it, then you must use a polishing machine to polish the wax all around the wall. This way, you'll make sure that the wall ends or the surface ends up being as smooth as you want it, as shiny as you want it, or with the finish that you're looking for.